Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your share sheet to add favorite direct share on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So do you hate scrolling through 20 different share options? Now you can set your favorite contacts and apps at the top of the share sheet for quick one-tap sharing. So here's an example. If you're trying to share something from your gallery, you can go ahead and add your favorite direct share right on this share sheet. So let me show you how to do this. So to do this, you want to go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. Now in the GoodLock app, you're opening up the Home Up module. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and find Share Manager. Turn this feature on, and here you need to go ahead and find Add Favorite Direct Share. Tap on this, and now here you can go ahead and choose from Messages, from Gmail, from Drive, from Outlook, from Email, from X, or from WhatsApp. So you can go ahead and choose your favorite contacts so that they appear right at the top. So as an example, I've chosen 2. Now I can go ahead and tap on share, and those 2 will appear right at the top. So this basically saves time and you share smarter, so your most used options are always in front and in the center. So there you go guys, that is how to customize your share sheet to add your favorite direct share on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.